Remove speedometer gear and bushing. Installation position of speedometer gear bushing changes depending on number of gear teeth. Thereby, it's better to paint an alignment mark before removing it. Install eye-nut onto main shaft. Set transmission in vertical position. Remove eye-nut. Remove installation bolts and rear cover. Remove speedometer worm. Be careful not to lose the pin. Remove PTO cover. Pull out reverse idler shaft with reverse shaft puller. Remove reverse idler gear and 2 side washers. Remove snap ring of main shaft rear bearing. Remove main shaft rear bearing with bearing puller and installer. Remove countershaft rear bearing with bearing puller and installer. Remove installation bolts. Install eye-nut. Lift up by crane. Remove transmission case by tapping clutch housing with soft hammer. Clutch housing may be cracked if the portion without lip is tapped. Remove countershaft rear bearing with bearing puller and installer. Remove installation bolts. Remove snap ring of main shaft rear bearing. Set bearing puller and installer. Pull out the main shaft rear bearing and transmission case together. Tap out main shaft rear bearing. Remove gear shifter upper assembly. Remove backup lamp switch and screw plug. Set shift rails in reverse position. Push out interlock pins with a wire or equivalent. Confirm whether number of the pin is 7. To block the main shaft, shift any 2 shift rails to make double engage condition. Remove parking brake drum. Remove main shaft rear lock nut. Remove companion flange. Remove parking brake assembly. Remove puppet spring plate. Pull out the puppet spring and steel ball. Remove speedometer gear and bushing. Installation position of speedometer gear bushing changes depending on number of gear teeth. Thereby, it's better to paint an alignment mark before removing it.